Polygons are polygons with sides of equal length. On the other hand, irregular polygons are polygons with some unequal length sides. So here I have some examples of some irregular polygons. Some of the sides are unequal in length. Not all sides are the same length. And here I have some examples of regular polygons where all the sides are of equal length. You have already seen some polygons by now. A square is a regular polygon. All four sides of a square are of equal length. A rectangle is an irregular polygon. All four sides of a rectangle are not equal in length. In this video, we are going to study the perimeter of regular polygons with 5 or more sides. Let's take a look on the board at some of the regular polygons. And as we're talking through these, we're going to assume that the length of each side of a given polygon is S. So let's take a look here. We've got a couple of our abbreviations here set before us for our regular polygons. We're going to use the variable S as the length of each side, like I just said, and then we're going to use the number n as the number of sides for our polygons. Now we're moving above the triangle, which has 3 sides, and the quadrilateral or squares, rectangles, the 4-sided figures. We're now moving into figures that have 5 or more sides for this lesson. So we can take a look at a few of these. Here we have a pentagon, and in a pentagon we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. And so since the number of sides is n, I'm going to call a pentagon an n equals 5 polygon. And here we have a hexagon, and we have 6 sides in a hexagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And so we say n, or the number of sides, equals 6. Now keep in mind that all of these that I've drawn here are stated as regular polygons. And right away, as soon as I see that word regular, that tells me that all the sides of these polygons are equal in length. Here we have a 7-sided polygon, which we call a heptagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 sides equal in length. And here we have a regular octagon, which has 8 sides. So in an octagon, we say n equals 8, because the number of sides in this octagon are 8, and these are all of equal length. So now we want to talk about how we find the perimeter of any of these regular polygons. So the perimeter of any of these polygons is going to equal the length of one of the sides, or S, times the number of sides, or n. So if I know, for example, that this side is measured as a measurement of a number S, we'll use that as our variable, then I also know that this side must also equal S in length. And this side must be a length of S, and this side, and this side. All 5 sides of my pentagon, my regular pentagon, are equal in length. And so if I'm trying to find the perimeter of this, I could go S plus S plus S plus S plus S, but I could also look at it as S, or the length of one side, times 5, times the number of sides that's in my figure. And I could say the same thing for each of these. If, for example, on my heptagon, this side here is length S, then this side is going to be the same measurement, this side's going to be the same, this side, this side, this side, all 7 sides of a regular heptagon are going to be equal in length. And so if I want to find the perimeter, the length around the outside of the shape, All I need to do is know the length of one side, S, and I would multiply that by n, by the number of sides. So I would just multiply whatever length this S is times 7 to find the length, or to find the perimeter of this heptagon. Same for the octagon, the hexagon, any multiple-sided figure, polygon. Finding the perimeter of a regular polygon is really simple. We just need to know the length of one side and the number of sides. Multiply those two numbers together and we have the perimeter of our regular polygon.